Welcome back to my channel, Caroland. This is Carolina, and today's video, as you can see, I have transformed myself into this flower goddess Aphrodite fairy-like creature, and I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you guys. I got this beautiful wig from EVA Hair. After I saw this wig, I was like, I definitely have to do something Halloween related, of course, because I love Halloween, and I wanted to do something creative, but I had no idea. So as I was shooting the video, I kind of just put together this entire look. I'm also gonna be chit-chatting throughout the video, talking about the first time that I came out in public dressed up as a girl, and that was in Halloween, of course. And I wanted to talk about the importance of Halloween for a lot of trans people, including myself. So if you guys want to hear those stories and more, please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hair out of my face. Let's get started. I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm going to use this Kiehl's Hydra Plumping Red Texturizing Serum Concentrate. Next, we are going to use a primer. I'm just going to put a little bit. I really love Halloween. It was like the first time I believe that I was able to full on dress up head to toe. I went all out. I'm going to show you guys a picture right here so you guys can see this was me. So here we have Bare Minerals Pure Brightening Serum Foundation. The way I like to apply my foundation is with the Beauty Blender. We're going to do eyebrows. I'm going to use this palette called Violet Voss. I'm going to start with this darker color called Taupe. And I'm going to add a little bit of this red and copper. I think it's not that off. I have this really awesome Loose Mineral Shimmer Powder. I want it to be all over my face and body. Next, we're going to do concealer, Bare Minerals. Anyway, so getting ready for this outfit years ago was super crazy. It took me we started at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We didn't leave my house until 11 o'clock at night. The original RCMA. First thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna set my eyes with some white. So I'm using this palette from Ben Nye. I think we're gonna do like a red and purple. When I went out that night, I didn't want to go out as like a boy dressed up as a girl. Like, I wanted to just be myself. I was like, I just want to be me. I want to be me, and I want to like really just embrace that. So I was extremely paranoid that people would find out. And they did. I totally got clocked. I did have a few people come up to me and be like, are you really a girl? I've never done this before, by the way. I literally just watched somebody doing their makeup on YouTube, and they were doing this thing where it looked like they were adding concealer on their eyelid. I literally don't know what I'm doing. This eyeshadow, it's really bothering me because it's not looking like the way I want it to. Now I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light, and we're gonna go in with it's really pretty shimmery white right here. I'm gonna go right under the eyebrow. So yeah, we get there, people are talking to us, they're taking pictures, and these really cute guys were like trying to talk to me, and I didn't want to say a word. Back then I was extremely dysphoric about everything. I was dysphoric about my voice, I was dysphoric about my body shape, about my face, everything. So, you know, props to anyone who's going through their gender identity journey, you know, going out in public and just being yourself, because it's not easy. I think we can go with like a purple on the outer corner. I'm going to use white glitter first. Love it. With the Kat Von D. She has a really dark glittery black. I'm just gonna go with mascara and some lashes. I got these lashes that are from House of Lashes. So yeah, after that first time dressing up in Halloween, I really just knew for sure. Like I knew from like way before, but it's like that kind of just like validated the idea that that's who I wanted to present as myself. And it's really difficult to sometimes even see that before you put yourself out there. Let's move on to some blush. And I'm using a Dawn Minerals. Very nice. Oh, that's gonna look super cute. I'm thinking like a red lip, maybe, or like a nude, or maybe like a pink lip. No, not pink. Just kidding. Or like little flowers. Let's try it. I'm actually using this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm using this kind of hot pink. Oh, yay! I love it. Now we need to define it. And I have this little black pencil that I hope it works. I need green. I need like a green marker. I'm not gonna put marker on my face right now. Oh well. Why not? Not bad. I have a Sharpie. Yes, that's what I needed. Oh my god, look at it, super cute. Okay, that one's kind of funky. Couldn't really see much. Ooh, the last one though. Oh, that looks so cute. That looks pretty. I want more flowers. What do you guys think? I don't know, I'm excited. Live. Very cute. Okay, let's go in with the green. No, working. Don't fail me, Sharpie. Don't fail me. The black's not working anymore. So I'm using the black lipstick from this palette and this little brush. And it's actually not bad at all. You know what? It doesn't have to be super perfect. I'm not going for like a super detailed look. It's a little more messy, a little more artsy. And I think that's what's gonna make it look different. What next?
Es una cosa hermosa.
Mira los ojos.
Wow.
Y después,
¿Ya terminaste el video?
no, estoy grabándolo en esos momentos. Después va con la peluca y las flores en la cabeza. Ya
Uy,
casi,
pero
ya
te
casi.
quedó espectacular. ¿Y eso fue inventado?
Sí, lo
Uy,
empecé a hacer ahorita.
Espectacular.
I am currently adding some glitter on all the flowers just to kind of make them pop a little more. I don't know if you guys can see from there. I could do some freckles. This is the same Violet Voss brow that I use to fill in my eyebrows. If I want to do some faux freckles, I usually use this same brown color that I use for my eyebrows. Then I mix it with this First Class. It's a little bit of a lighter brown. And start adding some cute little freckles. Love it. Love it. Next, I think we're going to do lips. Maybe we could do like a mix of different colors. Line the lips first. I'm thinking maybe like a green. Blue and yellow makes green, right? So I'm gonna go in with the yellow first. And we're gonna go in with the blue. Oh no! It's like super blue. Oh, but it is creating sort of a green. Hey, what do we think? Aw, I'm so proud of myself. Keep going. I wanna add some highlighter. We got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glowing Kit. We got a couple shades over here. I think I'm gonna go in with Butterscotch. So have to be really careful. And then we're gonna use marshmallow for the rest of the body. I think I am done with the makeup aspect of it. Now I want to talk about the wig that inspired this entire look. And it comes in this cute little box. The wig is gonna come nicely wrapped with a net and this little plastic bag. And you're also going to get your own wig cap. First, let's look at the inside of the wig. We got a couple clips already that are gonna help keep the wig nice and steady. We have these little adjustable bands. It's a lace front, beautiful hairline. I'm gonna put my wig cap on first. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so freaking cool. Okay, first of all, the hairline looks flawless. Let's push it back just a tiny bit. I am obsessed. I just wanted to make sure the hair is laid down correctly, that we get the styling nice and perfect. We good? Let me see. Oh, what do you think? Da-da-dum. Oh my gosh. Yay. You guys. Are we getting into this fantasy right now? This is like flower goddess, Aphrodite mixed with like a little bit of poison ivy. This is so cute. I have to call my mom.
Oye. Wow.
¿Qué tal?
Uy. Qué bárbara. Está preciosa.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Yay. Ciao, mom.
Bueno, chao.
And on that note, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget your 20% discount for EVA HAIR is the coupon code Caroland. Use it, get your wig on, and happy Halloween. Bye.